has sat very quiet. Today marks the completion of an important stage in your journey. The ministry commend you for your dedication, discipline, and perseverance. Regardless of the result you receive today, reaching this stage of your academic journey is an achievement in itself. To our principals, our teachers, and our school leaders throughout the country, allow me on behalf of the ministry to express with deep sincerity our profound appreciation. Your role extends far beyond the classroom. You are the mentors, you are the counselors, you are the motivators, and you are the role models of our learners. Many of you went the extra mile, worked under difficult conditions, often with limited resources, yet you made it. Your unwavering dedication, professionalism, and belief in the potential of every learner remain the backbone of our education system. To our parents and our guardians of our beautiful learners,